Welcome to Clark's Classic Florals. I'm so glad you could join me for an informative DIY wedding floral tutorial. Are you excited and ready to make your wedding day even more beautiful? Let's get started. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need a metal vase and silk flowers, floral foam, scissors, wire cutter, 3-inch wired floral picks. Floral silk stems include 1 hydrangea bush, green baker's fern, asparagus Sprengeri fern trailing bush, floral garland, and glue or two-way tape optional. Now that we have everything ready, let's start with the base. Cut the floral foam into a circle and place in the bottom of the metal vase until it fits snugly. Take the garland of flowers and arrange them around the top of the metal vase. Now that the vase is set, it's time to add the hydrangea bush by pushing it down in the middle of the floral foam in the metal vase. Take the green baker's fern and push the stems into the floral foam in the bottom. Arrange the green baker's fern around the perimeter of the metal vase. Turn the metal vase around and place the green baker's fern in the floral foam. Place the green baker's fern around the perimeter of the vase, making sure they are equally distributed around the container. Adjust the green baker's fern by bending it over the metal vase. This gives the floral and natural flowing look of draping the container. Take the asparagus Sprengeri fern trailing bush and wrap the 3-inch wired floral pick around the end of the stem. Push the floral pick into the foam and arrange the fern around the container. Please feel free to use glue or tape, which is optional, at any time during the tutorial. Turn the metal vase around and place the wood pick and fern in the floral foam at the bottom. Place the fern stems around the perimeter of the metal vase, making sure they are equally distributed around the container. Make adjustments as needed to the florals surrounding the metal vase. And there you have it, a stunning floral wedding reception centerpiece. I hope you had as much fun as I did creating this masterpiece. This will surely make your guests admire and appreciate your creativity. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so grateful and humbled.